Hi, this is Litre Parts Pro. Today with 2010 Hyundai i45, stock number 6879. This ramp is 2010 and 42014. It has a G4KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.